Hi everyone. I just wanted to share with you how I'm kind of doing my grading this year because I know it's been kind of crazy and it's hard to remember, what you say to some students and what you don't say to others. So what I've done is I've just completed all of my grading for today. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and leave comments. So I did not leave comments at the same time as I did my grades. So what I'm going to come in here and do first is go to the lifelong learner goals because I graded some on that. And then I'm going to move my screen over, hopefully, so you guys don't see my students' names. Uh-oh. Okay, so you shouldn't see their names, so I'm in the lifelong learner goals. And what I'm going to do is make sure this is on 200, and I'm going to scroll down. You can see some of them I've looked and they have something by them already that I've put in place. But I am looking for some graded assignments that I did. Okay, so you can see here that this student has an A, but I haven't left any feedback. But I gave her a 20. So I started making a Word document. And so if I give a kid a 20, I'm kind of giving myself some options here. I'm going to either write in their feedback awesome goals or great goals. If I give them a 14, that tells me when I go in to leave feedback that they were missing one goal, so that's what I'm going to write in the feedback, or missing 2 goals, or no goals submitted. Now this one is going to be a little bit more difficult to do today because I put in zeros earlier, so I'm not going to know which person didn't submit goals. But what I went ahead and did was, when I was grading the assignment, I went ahead and reset the assignment for the students so that they could go in and do that. So what I'm going to do is copy this, the awesome goals, and then I'm going to click feedback, and you're not going to be able to see the whole thing because it wouldn't be FERPA friendly. And I'm going to copy and paste it in the top box and then click save. So now she's taken care of. And then I'm going to go to the next one. I also gave this person 20 points, so I'm going to do the same thing. Just copy and paste. And I'm just going to scroll down and look. Here's another one. Okay, so I finished with the lifelong learner goals. So now I want to go down. Let me see what I graded next. Oh, I think I graded a bunch of the Unit 5 writing assignments for today. So I'm going to go ahead and click in there and show you what I did for that one. Okay, so when you click in the Unit 5 writing assignment, I haven't put zeros in for that one since we're on that unit for this week. So I'm going to go back a page and just put in feedback for the ones that I've done. Let me go ahead and do grade. Okay, so you can see here that I have some 25s, I have a couple of 23s and a 20 and some zeros. So for the 0 ones, if you can't remember, you might want to have another page up so you can go back and actually look at their their writing and see what they did, see what kind of feedback you want to do for that one. Now, if I go back to my Word document, so I didn't grade that many. I haven't had that many submit. But while I was grading, I was go ahead and typing in. If they get it almost all correct, and you can tell they tried really hard, I'm giving them a great job if they have 25. So I'm just going to copy and paste that in all of the ones that say 25. So again, all you do is, well, I forgot to grab that. And click on the feedback. And to me, this just goes a lot faster than having to think of each student every time, and then make sure you click save. I can just go right down the list and do that really fast. Okay, so now on the ones that say 23, they're going to get this feedback. And you could add more things like, great job, but you're missing, where is the friend from? Because they had to say where their friend was from in the feedback. This one actually did these two that got 23s, they had the same information that was missing. So they're going to get the same note. And I'm just making it real simple. Okay, this one that had the 20, I wrote that although you have included everything in the writing, your sentences have some grammatical errors, verbs are used incorrectly, and your writing includes some English words. So like she had the word she's, and she was using soy instead of a stoy. So I just took off some points for that, because there was really too many grammatical errors to give her a great job. So she's going to get that feedback. Okay, and then I have a couple that were F's. And I did reset their assignments, and I'm going to have to go back and look. But one of them did not write anything. Actually, they wrote something, but they wrote it all in English. So one of them is going to get this feedback. And then on the other 0, it says your writing has a lot of words that are not on our vocabulary list and also includes some sentence errors. Please go back and watch the recording for Unit 5, Session 2 to know what I expect on the writing assignment. So again, they can still go back and redo it, but I kind of felt like maybe they used a translator. It didn't seem genuine, and so I went ahead and gave them a 0. But like I said, they can go back and redo it, and that shouldn't be an issue if they want to change their grade. So anyway, I hope this helps. I'm probably going to add to this, like for example on the 23, if they say where their friend's from, but they miss another element of the email, then I'll probably add another 23 so I know what that one is, and then I can add that one fast. And then I don't have to keep doing these for every student. They're already going to be set in place and done, and hopefully I can use it again next year. So, hope this helps, and thanks for listening.